Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here is last week's spread where I used my watercolor wildflowers collection from my shop, and I absolutely love the different colors of the ink and how they match with the stickers. Chef's kiss there. Alright, so let's look at this week, the week of May 23rd through the 29th, and my HOBONICHI cousin that I use as my everyday. And it took me a while to find what stickers I wanted to use to decorate this week. I don't want to necessarily say that I've run out of stickers. I still have definitely a surplus of stickers, but I definitely have way less than I had this time last year. Like, for example, my Happy Planner collection had over 100 sticker books. I think I'm down to just under 20 now, which I'm very, very proud of. So I thought, you know what, I might as well use those sticker books. Oh, there's Lucy barking. I might as well use one of the sticker books that I've had for a while and decided to keep out of that collection. And today I will be using pressed florals. That was a very long intro. Let's get started. I'm gonna apologize right off the bat and say that I have not been feeling well, so I'm gonna try not to sniffle during this plan with me as much as possible, but if it happens, it happens. Okay, so I really want to focus on using like the purple and the yellow in these florals because I think they're very, very pretty, and plus I get to use the purple and the yellow ink. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm trying to see the best one to use going across here. I think I'm going to use this one going across, and possibly this one going across as well. I'll actually do it this way so I kind of cover up the red that's on the 29th. Whoops. Lift up. There we go. And I know that's kind of going into that space, but I don't mind too much. Then I'll take one of these smaller ones actually, and I kind of want to make it so that it looks like the florals are blowing in. Take a couple of the yellow, place them up there, and all these ones are so pretty as well. I'm going to take this dark purpley one and place it here with a little bit of a yellow one here. What I'm also going to bring in are my crocus paint swatches from my collection from a couple of months ago because I think they'll match really, really well. And let's see here. I really like the look of these florals, and it's definitely going down into the day. But you know what? I don't mind that too much. All right, I'm going to zoom in and work on the sidebar here. So the sidebar is where I keep track of my sleep and my workout. So I brush letter in the word sleep and place one of the mini paint swatches over that, and then place one of these cute emoji stickers right on top. And then I draw out the graph for how I keep track of my sleep score. And then underneath that, I brush letter in the word workout. And again, take another cute emoji because I think emojis just add so much to a spread. They're both fun and functionally so cute. And then I write in my workouts for the week. I'm going to have to do my ones from last week again because I've been sick all this week. So now let's move over to the bottom of this spread where I'm going to write meals with my Tombow Food No Escape pen, and then cover it with the crocus paint swatches. I actually really like using these mini paint swatches with spreads, and they just add so much color without smudging anything. It's like using a highlighter without having to worry about the smudging. So now that's done, I'm gonna do the same thing for Tuesday through Friday. Monday is actually Victoria Day here in Canada, so we have the day off. So I will put in, or brush letter in the word work for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And again, place another paint swatch on top of the word, and then using my fountain pen, draw out the arrow, gosh, I can't speak, draw out the arrow for my actual work shift. So Monday being a day off, I don't actually want to put down any plans as of yet, although I do know that my to-do list, where do I want to put my to-do list? Let's put it here about 5 o'clock. And my to-do list on the Monday is normally the same thing. Every Monday I meal plan and I order groceries to pick up on the Thursday. And then Tuesday, let's flip through to my stickers here. Thought I had them all taken out. So Tuesday is when my husband puts out the garbages, and I'm going to take this cute Cora sticker from Let's Planet. And just as a reminder, put out garbages. This pen and ink combination is not necessarily my favorite when I write with it because I can't really see it, but once it dries, it looks really, really good. Wednesday, nothing that I can remember. Thursday is when my husband goes to pick up groceries, so I only have 2 more of these little grocery bags left, and they have lasted me this long. So I'll pick up groceries. And then Friday, I have to remember that Henry has swimming lessons at school. So I had these extra stickers that came from freebies, and I kind of want to use that one, but I also kind of want to use that one. Let's use this one because that looks cute. So I'm going to just put here. Yeah. Oh my gosh, and the purple matches perfectly. Henry swimming lessons. Oh, so excited that the kids can go on field trips again. I love that they can go on field trips again. Then Friday is when I'm going to be doing my filming, so I'm going to place this here. And I've got a few things that I need to film as well. So that's purple. So to film, I will need to, oh my gosh, I think, what did I need to film? So I need to film the weeks, cousin, the monthly, setup, and my currently inked. Currently inked is actually one of my favorites to film right now. Okay. Then Saturday is a busy day. So let's see here. So Saturday, I'm actually going to use some sticker flags here from the Happy Planner. I saved a whole bunch and then I have never really used them. So, gosh, I had these so well organized and now I haven't used them this whole time. Okay. So, yeah, why not? And that yellow doesn't really match. Nor does that yellow. Does it really matter? Yes. Okay, so I'm just going to use a yellow heart for 10:30 for Henry's wall climbing. Yeah. It's 10 o'clock to 11:30. Which also reminds me that on Wednesday, Robin has archery. Actually, the hearts look really cute. Then Saturday and Sunday, I've actually got quite a bit to do. I have how do I want to write this down? Because I will be at the church for a while, so let's see. How do I want to put this? I'm just going to put photography. Whoops. Because I will be the photographer for the, here we go. Oh my gosh, I can't remember what it's called. It's not First Communion. It is, the name is going to come to me any second now. And then the next day I also have to do the same. So I have to figure out when I'm going to do my cleaning. Yeah. It's not First Reconciliation. It's First Communion, First Reconciliation. What's the one after that? I am a terrible Catholic. Okay. Don't know if you guys see anything past that plant. Alright, and then I am going to somehow put cleaning tasks in here. And also put down that I have to fold laundry. So maybe I'll put folding laundry here. Or here. Yeah, I'll put folding laundry here. I love those little bears from Paper Bits Co. I would buy more right now, but I also, when I first started buying all of these emojis, I went a little crazy. So I'm good for a bit. So I'm going to put this here, here for our cleaning tasks, and see if I can get them all in one. I'm just trying to remember what we are doing this week. That is in the green. So we have bathrooms, cabs and outs, and then my husband has to vacuum and do the windows. Oh yeah, we can fit this all in. Henry does the garbages and a little bit of dusting, and then Robin does the door handles and the light switches and the really high traffic areas. Ah, perfect, it all fits. Okay, I actually really like how that looks. I really like how that looks. I'm going to see if I can't add a few more little tiny florals around. Like here. And maybe here. If there's any small purple ones, maybe I can add that as well. But I think I'll be good. Yeah, I think that will be good for now. Alright, but that is then it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I apologize for any sniffling. Oh, yeah, I just apologize for that. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I know it looks empty. It normally does at the beginning of the week, and then it just looks so much better by the end of the week once it's all filled in. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and have yourselves a great day.